Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. If you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora digital cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to check out my strategies and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, so guys, these are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from your small trading capital. You can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the assets one after the other, and of course we will be starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milk trading indicator. This had been on uptrend for a while. It got to this resistance, it was unable to go above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. And of course, just where you are seeing it, and it's gave us a downtrend signal with this red flag and of course a red arrow, and of course this is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course just the way we are seeing this had been on downtrend for a while. Right from this resistance zone, it has got into this support zone, and of course it has not been able to break out from there, so it's starting an uptrend right from there. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and of course this had been on uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag. It kept on going up and up till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. That is why we are getting a red flag and of course an arrow that is colored red. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. It has been on uptrend for a very long time. There are pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, and of course the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75, and of course let's see what is giving to us. Okay, right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend. That is why we got the red flag, which signifies a downtrend, and the red arrow. You can see we got it from here, and it kept on selling till it got to this region, had a little pullback and went back down to that support. It's still unable to break out below it, so it's trying to push up into an uptrend. Of course we need it to break out above this resistance zone, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able, a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect the trading skill, can you go back to this channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.